What's up, guys? Joe 450 Sports back with the Facebook break. This is a double box break of Trilogy. Gonna start with the giveaway. Leon Draisaitl Crystal Black. So let's start. I've got a list with all your names. Number 1, Emma Leblanc goes to number 30, Martin Gravel. I'm gonna random this list 3 times, and the name on top will be the winner. And 3. And the winner is Martin Gravel. Congrats. You just won Leon Draisaitl. Number 1, Emma Leblanc goes to number 30, Martin Gravel. I'm gonna random this list 3 times, and the name on top. It's all good. And now I'm gonna random the team. I got all the 30 teams. 1, 2, and 3. First team is Carolina. 30 is the New York Islanders. Gonna open Excel. Gotta copy paste. Just waiting for Excel to open. I've got it. Paste. All 30 teams. Now I'm gonna random the names. Number 1 is Emma Leblanc, 30 Martin Gravel. 1, 2, and 3. Brad Taylor on top. Jean 30. Copy. Paste. There you go. So now I'm going to start. Carolina Hurricane, Brad Taylor. Colorado Avalanche, Dean Seltenrich. Washington Capitals, John Cook. Edmonton Oilers, we have Paul Ellie Kings, Skip. Tampa Bay Lightning, Shane Davis. New York Rangers, Paul. Florida Panthers, Christopher. Nashville Predators, Martin. Pittsburgh Penguins, Sébastien Lacroix. Philadelphia Flyers, Randy. Anaheim Ducks, Martin. We have Toronto Maple Leafs, Brad Taylor. St. Louis Blues, Chris. Montreal Canadiens, Skip. Detroit Red Wings, we have John Cook. Ottawa Senators, Bobby Paquette. Arizona Coyotes, Emma Leblanc. Columbus Blue Jackets, Randy. Chicago Blackhawks, Christopher Valad. Vancouver Canucks, we have Chris Garvin. New Jersey Devil, we have Bobby. San Jose Sharks, David Moore. Calgary Flames, Shane Davis. Dallas Stars, Paul Anthony. Boston Bruins, David Moore. Minnesota Wild, Mathieu Froment. Winnipeg Jets, Paul Anthony. Buffalo Sabres, Sébastien Lacroix. And the New York Islanders, we have Jin. I'm going to copy paste the list. Put it on Facebook. Facebook. Come on, it's so long. I'm gonna copy paste it after the breaks because it's so long and I want to do the break. So let's start. Box number 1. Box 1, and let's start 9 packs per box, 1 hit per pack. Good luck, everybody. Hope you're happy with the team you have. Pack number 1. I love Trilogy. So pack number 1, we have a rookie autograph, number 225 for the Detroit Red Wings, Ryan Sproul. Pack number 2. We have a blue, number 29, for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Boone Jenner. 14 out of 29. Third pack. Tick pack. We have a crystal. Huh, that's funny. We have a crystal of Leon Draisaitl, number 249. Edmonton Oilers. Edmonton Oilers. Leon Draisaitl, number 249. Pack number 4. What do we have? We have a triptych for the Montreal Canadiens jersey, number 600. Care price. Pack number 5. We have a redemption. What do we have? NHL Trilogy signature pucks, no numbering, for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Jane Van Riemsdyk. Toronto Maple Leafs signature pucks. Pack number 6. We have a Trilogy Rookie Premier, number 799 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Greg McKegg. Pack number 7. We have the Trilogy Rookie Premiers, number 799 for the San Jose Sharks, Chris Tierney. Pack number 8. Oh, nice. We have a Rookie Premier autograph, number 399 for the Washington Capitals, Andrei Burakovsky. Come on. Andrei Burakovsky Rookie Premier autograph. And the last pack of the first box is a Trilogy Rookie Premier, number 499 for the San Jose Sharks, Miracle Mueller. Box number 2. Pack number 1. Start with a crystal. Crystal Premier, number 125 for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Vladislav Namestnikov. Take off all the packs. Pack number 2. We have a signature pucks for the New York Islanders, Ryan Strome. No numbering. Third pack. We have a blue, number 178 for the Ottawa Senators, Erik Karlsson. Erik Karlsson, Ottawa Senators. Pack number 4. We have a Rookie Premier, number 799 for New Jersey Devil, Damon Severson. Pack number 5. We have a redemption. What do we have? NHL Trilogy Rookie Auto, number 399 for the New York Rangers, Anthony Duclair. New York Rangers, number 399. Pack number 6. We have a crystal. We also have 2 hits in this pack. First hit is a Rookie Premier, number 499 for the Boston Bruins, Alexander Kokhlichev. And we also have a crystal, number 275 for the New York Rangers. Johnny T. John Tavares. New York Rangers. New York Islanders. What the hell? New York Islanders, John Tavares. Sorry, guys. Pack number 7. Nice. We have a rookie premiere, number 799 for the Calgary Flames. And it's Johnny Gaudreau. 799 Johnny Gaudreau. Pack number 8. We have a rookie premiere autograph, number 399 for the Colorado Avalanche. Joey Eschen. And our last pack, tick pack. Oh, nice. We have a triptych patch for the Dallas Stars, but look at that patch. A logo patch. We have some gold, some black, and green. Dallas Stars, Jamie Benn. Number 57 out of 75 for the Dallas Stars. So that's it for Trilogy. We'll be right back tomorrow, guys, with more exciting breaks. We also have a break of SP Game Use 14-15 double on Facebook. See ya.